So school started today here in Florida, and you can see all the parents bringing those kids to school. This is really amazing, you guys. That's why I'm putting it up here. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Take a look at this line of parents bringing these kids to school. My heart goes out to all these parents and all over the country. So much news about the students, about children and COVID-19. And putting these kids, in the classrooms, it's a little scary. So here in Florida, you can see the schools just opened, and what a mess of trying to get your kids to school. COVID-19. All the buses are out running, traffic's slowing down, and of course, it's a real mess trying to get into that school. Hopefully you guys don't have that problem wherever you live across the country, but welcome to Florida. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. If you haven't seen Frezelda, which is Flora's daughter, she has a new YouTube channel, and we're going to be posting some things about the Filipinos and how they go back to school. So take a look.